In this video, I'm going to show you the two methods you can try to change the desktop wallpaper on your Chromebook device. So the first method is pretty simple. You have to reveal the desktop screen like this, and then you can right click on any area on the desktop screen and click set wallpaper and style. And after that, on the left section, there is a section dedicated for wallpaper. Click on the wallpaper right here. And after that, you can select which picture or which wallpaper that you want to use. We have plenty of options by default. So these are just some wallpapers available directly right in the Chromebook, and we don't have to basically download the photos anymore because they are part of the Chromebook. Now let's try this photo. And after that, you can select which wallpaper that you want to apply for your device. I'm gonna try this option. I think it looks interesting. And of course, this setting will be applied instantly, and you can see the background has changed. And by the way, there is an option to change the wallpaper daily. So every day you open your Chromebook, it would have a different wallpaper, which is going to give a fresh look of your device. Now that was the first method. The second method, in my opinion, is a bit more personalized. So I'm going to close this and I'm going to open the files menu. Click launcher and then open files. And I'm going to just go to the folder where I store a photo. And I'm going to use this photo as my wallpaper. So I can just right click and click set as wallpaper. And there you go. So this is the wallpaper that I just set for my Chromebook device. And yeah, that's basically two methods you can try to set a wallpaper for Chromebook. If you found this tutorial video to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial video.